This dance is called Toot Sweet with an exclamation mark. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with 1 restart. So you're starting with a chassé to the right. Now because of the timing of this dance, these aren't going to feel like your normal chassé steps with and counts in them. So step the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side, hitch the left. Chassé quarter turn to the left. Stepping left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left, hitch the right. Cross rock, right over left. So you cross right over, recover your weight back on the left. Cross that right back over the left again, sweep that, or sweep or swing that left around. Into a cross rock. So you'll cross rock the left over the right, recover your weight on the right, cross that left over the right again, sweep and swing the right forward. That set of steps once more. Chassé to the right. 7, 8. Side, close, side, hitch, side, close, turn, hitch, cross, rock, cross, sweep, cross, rock, cross, sweep. Sweep or swing. So there are quite a few hand counts in this dance, which is why it's not really going to feel as if you've got those 1 or 2 count timing steps in that you would normally associate the timing with. Into a mambo half. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, turn half a turn right as you step forward on that right. Shuffle forward on the left. Kick the right forward, step the right out to the side, step the left to the side. Into a sailor step, right foot leads, behind, side, side. That set of steps once more. Mambo half on the right. 7, 8. Mambo half, left shuffle, kick side, side, sailor step. Add those 2 sections together. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8. Side, close, side, hitch, side, close, turn, hitch, cross, rock, cross, sweep, cross, rock, cross, sweep. Mambo half, left shuffle, kick side, side, sailor step. You're going to add on a sailor quarter turn. So you're going to cross the left behind the right as you make a quarter turn to the left, right to the side, left to the side. Sailor quarter turn. Step forward on the right, clap the left, clap your hands. Step forward on the left and clap. Touch the right forward, paddle a quarter turn to the left, touch the right forward, paddle a further quarter turn to the left, then shuffle forward on that right. That set of steps once more then. Sailor quarter turn, left foot leads. 7, 8. Sailor turn, step, clap, touch, paddle, right shuffle. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section. So you do that sailor quarter to the left and then those 2 paddle turns, quarter turn each, going to the left. Should you need to try and take out that 3/4 of a turn in that section, the music is quite fast. What you can actually do, instead of turning to the right on that sailor turn or turning to the left on that sailor turn, actually turn a quarter turn to the right. So you'll cross the left behind the right as you're starting to make that quarter turn to the right, side, side. So you're still kind of doing a sailor step, but you're turning yourself the opposite way. Then rather than travelling forwards with those step claps, you're going to travel backwards. So you're going to step the right back, clap, step the left back, clap, into some points instead of your paddles. So you're going to point the right out, in, and then just add on your right shuffle step. So So your non-turning steps once more, should you need to take that 3/4 out. Sailor quarter, turn into the right. So the sailor quarter turn, back clap, point out, in the right shuffle. Should you need to take that 3/4 out, there are some alternative steps that you can do. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Chasse to the right. 7, 8, side close, side hitch, side close, turn, hitch, across, rock, cross, sweep, cross, rock, cross, sweep, mambo, half, left shuffle, kick, side, side, sailor step, sailor turn, step, clap, touch, paddle, right shuffle. Add on a couple of mambo crosses. You're going to rock to the side on the left, recover, cross the left over the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover, cross the right over the left. So 2 mambo crosses. Step back on the left, hitch the right, step back on the right, hitch the left, into a left coaster step. That set of steps once more then. Mambo cross off on the left. 7, 8, mambo cross, back hitch, coaster step. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Chasse to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side close, side hitch, side close, turn, hitch, cross, rock, cross, sweep, cross, rock, cross, sweep, mambo, half, left shuffle, kick, side, side, sailor step, sailor turn, step, clap, touch, paddle, right shuffle, mambo, cross, back hitch, coaster step. That's your dance, but because it's got an awful lot of hand counts in it, I'll now go through it with the counts. Chasse into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. So the music is a little bit on the nippy side. It's got a bit of a Cajun beat to it. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Chasse into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, the side close, side hitch, side close, turn, hitch, cross, rock, cross, sweep, cross, rock, cross, sweep, mambo, half, left shuffle, kick, side, side, sailor step, sailor turn, step, clap, touch, paddle, right shuffle, mambo, cross, back hitch, coaster step, the side close, side hitch, side close, turn, hitch, cross, rock, cross, sweep, mambo, half, left shuffle, kick, side, sailor step, sailor turn, step, clap, paddle, right shuffle, mambo, cross, back hitch, coaster step. So that's your dance. Now there is one restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3, which is your 12 o'clock wall, after 18 counts. So it's after you do your sailor quarter turn. So if you are taking that 3/4 of a turn out in that section, that sailor quarter turn, those 2/4 paddles, on the restart wall you will need to do the sailor quarter turn turning to the left, and then you restart. Otherwise you'll be facing the opposite way to everybody else. So wall 3, 12 o'clock wall, take you up to 18 counts, restart the dance. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side close, side hitch, side close, turn hitch, cross rock, cross sweep, cross rock, cross sweep, mambo, half, left shuffle, kick side, side, sailor step, sailor turn, restart, side close, turn hitch. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. 18 counts into wall 3. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side close, side hip, side close, turn. Cross, rock, cross, cross, rock, cross. Mambo, half, left shuffle, kick side, side, sailor step. Sailor turn, step, step, paddle, paddle, right shuffle, mambo, cross, back hitch, coaster step. Side close, turn, hitch, cross, rock, cross. Cross, rock, cross, mambo, half, left shuffle, kick side, sailor step, sailor turn, step, step, paddle, paddle, right shuffle, mambo, cross, back hitch, coaster step, chassé, to restart wall, mambo half, sailor turn, restart, chassé. Mambo half, I'm gonna make tonight all mine. Same turn. Get on your dancing shoes. Mambos. Chassé. Let's go, Toot Sweet. Mambo half. Same turn. Mambos. Let's go, come on, let's go Toot Sweet. Jump right in and pick up your feet. Put on your party clothes, it's getting late. Let's go to the bayou, they just celebrate. Oh, let's go, come on, let's go Toot Sweet. Jump right in and pick up your feet. Let's go to the bayou, they just say the prayer. Let's go to the bayou, they just say the prayer. Let's go to the bayou, they just say the prayer. Hope you managed that one.